Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a new recipe, Jhangri. Let's move on to the ingredients. Urad dal, oil, rice flour, lemon juice, cardamom, sugar, baking soda, color. Here I have taken orange red color. Water. Take 1 cup of urad dal and soak it in enough water for about 4 to 6 hours. And add it into a mixer jar and make it into a smooth batter. Transfer the batter into a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of rice flour, pinch of baking soda, and food color. Mix it well. Now our batter is ready. To make this sugar syrup, add 2 cups of sugar and quarter cup of water to a pan. Add cardamom powder to the sugar syrup to give it some flavor. Once the sugar gets dissolved, the syrup consistency should be like this. Add 2 to 3 drops of lemon juice to avoid crystallization. Take a wide or deep saucepan and add enough oil. Here I use a Ziploc bag for piping the batter. Now empty the batter into a piping bag. Just make a small hole at the bottom as shown in the video. Once the oil is hot, now slowly using the piping bag, drop the batter into the pan while forming any shape you want. Make sure the flame is low while doing so. Fry the jangris on both sides, then remove it from the pan and place it in the hot sugar syrup. After about 5 to 7 minutes, remove the jangris from the syrup. Now tasty jangri is ready to be served. If you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe my channel.